social posts, we have not released social posts yet. But what that is when you come into social posts, this is where you can let Sam help you create different types of social posts. So I can come down here and say, get suggested posts. I could come in here and say, I want to write give me 3 suggestions for first-time home buyer challenges, or things that move-up buyers need to know, or whatever. And something that you want in there, it can make suggestions. Once it does, then it creates these suggestion links. So you can go in and it creates content for you. Then you can say, well, I like this or I don't like this, whatever. You decide what you like or dislike. And then based off of any of these items, then you can, put them, you can check them off, say, I want to check off, I want these 2 items here, and I want to move to my drafts. So what that then would do is bring them into the drafts area. You could do more editing on them. You can set them up more about how you want. One of the things that we do here is, you can come in here and, maybe I don't like this particular section. I could highlight it. I can come over here and say, I want this to be more positive or whatever, and then have AI rewrite it for you. You can click the rewrite, and it will rewrite that in whatever suggestion that you specify. You choose what social media posts that you want this to be pushed out as. You can put other stuff, and then when do you want to schedule this to go out? You save that, and then once it gets scheduled, then it gets put into the scheduled area, and then it can do the post. I've got these turned off right now, but basically it allows you to push everything to either Facebook, LinkedIn, the different ones that we have available. So this has not been made available to anybody yet, but it is coming soon. Once that post goes out, there'll be some historical stuff, and this is where you can see how many people clicked on it, or whatever information we can get from each of those different post pieces, who replied to it, that type of stuff. The goal there is if they do reply, they get logged in here, but it also potentially can let you know that there are certain contacts in your database that are seeing, you're seeing them active. You're seeing some behavioral processes that are happening. And those behavioral processes then could trigger routines. And those routines then could kick in and start engaging with that person more as we go along. So that's where we're headed with that one. Again, I've not released it, but we're working furiously to get that one done.
So you're going to be able to also manage the posts if somebody click on it or make a comments and bring those to Sam?
That is the goal in the history area. Yes. Mm-hmm. We'll see if that is the goal. There's still some work that I've got to do for making that happen. So each post, then you would see the comments, be able to have Sam auto reply, or you can reply and then go through that process.
So you can also manage basically your social media through here.
That's
main goal is because we do have a social pilot where the girls can create the posts and generate also schedule whatever posts, and then we send it out and blast it out to all Instagram, Facebook, and all that stuff. And then we have to go manually look at everything and try to respond or whatever. But now we're going to be able to connect Sam's through our social media platform here.
That's the goal. Yes.
Okay.
As long as the social media people will cooperate. There's some things that they will do, some things they will not. With their APIs and connectivity, a lot of that I'm able to control. So we're working on that piece